Welcome to Cool Happenings. Everything I find cool and amazing. Your one-stop channel for all your accessible tech solutions.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello friends, how would you like to see the battery status of any Bluetooth connected device to your iPhone? I used to believe it was impossible, well, until right now. So this is going to be a very short demonstration, so let's proceed. What you need to do is get to the home screen, press the home button. Now you're in the home screen, do a 3-finger swipe right.
Page 3 of 5. Bookmarks 2 folder. 135 apps. Home. Page 2 of 5. Browsers folder. 5 apps.
It's a 3-finger swipe right.
Today. Page 1 of 5. Search. Search
Once
field.
you get to the today screen, you will hear voiceover say today, then just swipe right.
Dictate. Button. Batteries. Heading.
That's it, you get the batteries. So any Bluetooth connected devices to your iPhone will be, its battery status will be shown here. So let's swipe right and see what I have connected at the moment.
iPhone. 100% charged. Charging.
This is my iPhone,
Arvine's Apple Watch. 100% charged. Charging.
this is my Apple Watch, both at 100%. If I had my AirPods connected, you will see my AirPods battery status here as well. Any connected Bluetooth device, you will be able to see the battery status by doing the following. So let's do a quick recap. Go to the home screen, do a 3-finger swipe right till you hear voiceover say today tab, then just swipe till you see batteries, and once you swipe from there, you'll see all your Bluetooth connected devices battery status right there and there. Alright guys, the smallest demonstration ever. Hope it's useful. Thank you, all the best. And if you like these demonstrations I do, please subscribe and hit the like button, because it would surely motivate me to make many more accessible based tech tutorials, all with screen readers in mind. Alright, till I see you again, have an amazing and great day ahead.